Wind's blowing, hair's in my face. I got the best view in the city. I might go this way this time. Good morning, humans. My name is J Bobs, and I've left you a little content starved as of lately. But luckily, I'm doing some cool shit today, as well as some menial tasks that I could time lapse. So, thought it would be a good time to do a daily vlog. Something that I haven't done in a fat minute. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but I'm hungry as hell. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. Come make some breakfast with me. Oh, some of my spinach is going bad. So I gotta sift through, find the pieces that haven't. Factory farming, you should buy eggs from your neighbors instead. That way you could get like green eggs with feathers and shit on them. Oh yeah. My eggshells I break down with mortar and pestle so I could put them up in my garden beds. Yeah, soft cat. Soft cat. Shredded cheese isn't very shredded anymore. It's more like a brick of cheese. Trick to tomatoes at breakfast is put them in very last second, so they heat up a little bit, but they don't turn to soup. Now I gotta put everything away. That right there, the topped off cup of coffee, that's what we like to call a breakfast success. Oh yeah. Wow, this is honestly some really good work. I'm proud of me. I plowed through that scramble like it was nobody's business, and I'm honestly still quite hungry. So, in order to tie myself over to lunch, I'm about to toast some cinnamon raisin bread. Oh yeah. Rats! I was supposed to have a photo shoot today to promote my merch being at a local shop, but they just texted me back saying that they had problems with their legal team and my collaboration with them got postponed until next month. So my day today just got a lot less interesting, less worthy of a daily vlog, but I'm still going to the Yacht Club today for an open mic, and you know what they say, life goes onion, 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 onion. I'm gonna go stretch now. Well, first actually I'm gonna do a little nature walk in my backyard because it's so pretty back here. I previously planted some potatoes over there, but now it's overrun by these blackberries, so I don't think I'll ever get to those potatoes because they sure are some spiky ass plants. Look at those black-eyed Susans. I love me some flowers. Oh, what's up with this tree? This was a healthy mulberry tree last year. Now it looks quite dead. Well, that's sad. Spikes are getting in my way. Oh, there's a big spider web right there. That bug almost just flew into it. That bee's gonna fly into it. I need to walk through here, so sorry, Mr. Spider. Oh, look at all this goldenrod. Ooh, there's a bee pollinating. There's another bee pollinating right there. That's so happy. This is how Squidward walks. Got any blueberries? They're usually over here. Are we out of blueberry season now too? Oh, some that aren't ready yet. So blueberries are still coming in. Oh, I need to chop this path more for I don't think I can get to the backyard. Ow! Yeah, there's spikes on the ground. Excuse me, goldenrod. Perdon mi amores. And that blue spruce right there, it's like my favorite tree ever. Blue spruce is my favorite Midwestern tree, and that one in particular, it's just so beautiful. And I love watching it wave in the wind, and sometimes when I've had some hard times, that tree's been there for me. I really fuck with you, Mr. Blue Spruce. You're a good tree. Ow, stabbed me a little bit. That don't stop me from loving him. Cause like, sometimes love hurts. Sometimes I gotta duck out of the way from these goddamn blackberries. Over here I got my homemade fertilizer, my weed water, and I'm filling up a bunch of jars of it. Gonna give some away and store some, and have fertilizer for the rest of my life. But right now it's a mosquito breeding ground, and I don't really like that. Little coleus garden. I try and stretch at least every day. Not at least. I try to stretch every single day. I'm quite tight, especially in my neck and shoulders. And I really want to be, I already am quite flexible, but I really want to be more flexible. I want to live loosely. I want to hurt myself less often. And I just think it's a healthy habit and a good routine to be in. So some days I do more stretching than others. Today, because it's a vlog day, probably won't do too much stretching, but it's a bad day without it, you know? My all-time favorite stretch of all time, said that twice, California stretch. I accidentally caught myself doom scrolling for an extended period of time, and now it's already lunchtime, so I'm quite hungry. I'm gonna munch on some cottage cheese to gain some energy to think of, make, and eat some lunch. And then I'm gonna do just that. I'm gonna think of, make, and eat some lunch. I was originally planning on chefing up some shrimp tacos today to show you guys more Chef Bobby footage, but I sort of ran out of time and energy to do that. I'm quite hungry already. So I'm gonna throw these frozen honey battered breast tenders into my air fryer to make something quick and easy. And in the meantime, while they're cooking, it's now 74 degrees outside, so I'm gonna run around and close all my windows.
Chicken tenders in my hotel, yeah.
Cool.
Christina's in my bed watching TV shows when she hit the remote with her legs shaking. Let's good up, making, watching wherever my head facing is footballs, baby.
These strawberries got moldy. Turn them into compost.
But girl, you know how itchy my back is.
Bon appetit.
We settled, but it never felt right, 'cause we can't keep still. And we try to fight the way everything feels when we step out of line. I met you gazing, it was
Got about 50 minutes before I'm gonna pick Duke up from work, so gonna drive halfway there and check out that bridge area with the train tracks, see if it's in any good spot for a music video, or even like any of a safe spot to be. But it's a little adventure. I like exploring. Let's hit it. This is the spot right here. There's no outlet though. We're just gonna explore. Wonder if I'm allowed to park here. Let's just check it out. It says, "You are strong as you are honest." That's motivational. So I could go that way. I'm gonna go down this way to get a better view. The question is how to get that way. Personally, I gotta take a whiz real quick. So I'll go off the end of this dock right here. I'm gonna go up the hill this way, see if it comes around that way. It seems like even at the top of the hill, got 17 feet up before you get to the bridge. And this one right here is a little more manageable. 13 feet, and I'm at a little bit of a height advantage here. I could get up there, but I'm not sure how I'd get down, and it's such a hike to get where I want to be, so it doesn't seem like that's a good music video spot. The head to pass over there is cool. Got some nice art and stuff. And it looks to be like an abandoned building too. Just maybe. But somebody left their worms out to cook in the sun. Poor little guys. Not sure if there's any in there, but I'm gonna free them. And then toss the plastic so it doesn't wind up in the river. Wow, whole bunch of junk to toss. More worms. All right, looks like there's no worms in here. That's good, but I'll free the dirt. There we go. Big hands. A lot of this is recyclable, but unfortunately, it's not really such thing as public recycling bins. And it's better here than there. Wow, whatever plant this is beautiful. Look at these flowers. The bees love it too. Hella bees. Eat that shit up, yummy. Absolutely stunning. There's so much to appreciate in the world. I know it's quite fucked, but there's still so much love out there and so much beauty. And sometimes you just gotta sit and appreciate what you can. And sometimes you gotta sit and be pissed with all this fucking litter. Everywhere, motherfucker. Can't go anywhere without just shit all over the ground. Duchess, come on. Stoners are supposed to be eco-friendly. One more trip to the trash can quick. And then we'll do our dangerous shit. I need to give me a hard hat and a high vis so I can do this dumb shit without anybody questioning me. I don't see no train coming. There's hella people. Not trying to get the cops called on me. Just gotta act like you know what you're doing. I never know what I'm doing though. Now this is a nice spot right here.
I sip the Don Pete, watching Gandhi till I'm charged and writing in my book of rhymes. All the words past the Harden. The whole of mic I'm throbbing, mechanical movement, understandable smooth shit that murderers move with. The thief's theme, play me at night, they won't act right. The fiend of hip hop has got me stuck like a
might go this way this time.
Mind activation, react like I'm facing time like Pappy Mason with pins I'm embracing. Wipe the sweat off my dome, spit the phlegm on the streets. Suede Timbs on my feet makes my cipher complete.
Oh, that way's not the smartest way.
I can't call it. The beats make me falling asleep. I keep falling.
Oh yeah.
Never falling 6 feet deep. I'm out
shit's
for
pretty.
to represent me.
This is a music video spot now. Except I can't get any of my cameramen to risk their lives for me. I'm the dumb one. So maybe they stand out there and I'm in here. Or maybe I go make some dumb friends. Why is there a ladder there that leads nowhere? I was gonna go to that ladder, but really don't seem like it go anywhere. But I'm already more than halfway. Might as well risk it for the biscuit.
To my man Ill Will, God bless your life. To my peoples throughout Queens, God bless your life. I trick we box on crazy bitches, aiming guns and all my baby pictures.
Some gears and shit.
Police release scriptures that's maybe Hitler's. Yet I'm the mal money getting style, rolling foul. The versatile honey sticking wild, golden child dwelling in the rotten apple. You get tackled, caught by the devil's lasso. Shit is
hell yeah. See, what the fuck are those ladders for? They go nowhere. Holy shit. There's a blanket down there. It's a thrill. I've wanted to come over here ever since I started driving Duke to work. I saw this spot. I don't know what video I'd use it for and who I could even get to help. This is my shit. I fucking love graffiti. Shit's beautiful. Let's go down here.
Yo, the world is yours. The world is yours.
It's like a Nemo blanket. It is, it says Nemo on it. What's up, Nemo? What's up, Dory? Incriminating evidence, someone left their spray paint cans. Ouch. I don't get why people can't just recycle. I'm all for doing nefarious shit. Look, someone drew a little devil there. Fuck with devils, but I don't fuck with people who don't recycle. Whoa, fuck. Probably should have worn some shoes with laces. Does this like spin and shit? Maybe it does. Maybe it opens up for like... Well, no, because this is a train. So this is like a train thing, so I don't get why this would open. But there's hella gears. So I got a slight worry they're gonna start spinning. Yeah, look, this thing's rusted, broken. Let's get up out of here.
Check the chip to smile. Plus I profile well. Stash through the flock holes, burning dollars. Delight my stole, walk the blocks with a bop. Checking Danes plus the games people play. Bust the problems of the world today.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Hold up. I need to get this gear shot. Put my feet through it. Like what the fuck, where does this stairway go to? I guess to there. But where does there go to? To that rope? So you're supposed to take a boat in, take the rope to the ladder, take the ladder to the stairs. I don't think this is very good architecture, but it's fucking beautiful. I risked it for the content on the way here, but on my way back, I am totally just gonna throw the GoPro in my pocket so I can use both of my arms to balance, because it's quite difficult balancing with one hand, and I almost lost my footing once. And I barely have shoes on. Probably should have worn better shoes, but I wasn't expecting to go down there. There's squirrels. Damn, I'm ADHD. That's literally like the stupid fucking ADHD. I don't have ADHD, I just have a squirrel. That's what I just did. Anyways, I was hoping to get up there, see if that was a cool spot, but alas, we couldn't get up there. This could very well be a cool video spot, but I have to think about the safety of my cameramen, and also like, what video would this even work for? Daycare possibly, but I was planning on recording that in a forest. But honestly, if I had a drone, or like someone in a canoe down there, like this would be the shit, just hanging off this and someone's in a canoe. It's album cover material. Keep this spot in mind. Definitely accessible down here. Definitely risky as fuck. Some white people shit. I'm crazy. And I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. There's some shit right there. A goose was here. Telling you this now, that was 20 times easier with access to both of my hands. If I'm ever doing dumb shit like that again, putting on like a chest strap for the GoPro. The only problem is my GoPro case is broken, so I gotta get a new case, because right now when I do like a chest mount or a head mount, it just falls straight down. So I don't know how much a case is, but that's something I gotta invest in, because I like doing dumb shit. I was all the way out there in the middle of that bridge, and man, was it nice having both of my hands on the way back. You are as strong as you are honest. I'm honest as fuck. That's why I'm built different. Live action, yay! Somebody's car reeks of some kush right now. Not gonna lie, it smells quite nice. But I am 3 weeks sober. Still breathe that bitch in, hopefully get some secondhand. Oh yeah. Good vlog, by the way. RJ needs a snack. Loud music in my headphones, I'm hard of hearing. I'm walking through the desert and my skin start peeling. Some people spend their life ignoring their own hard feelings. I'm losing spirit in a way, I'm this morning, okay. I used to listen to C14 and early Coldplay. I think today would be a good day, like I was O'Shea. I made eggs with toast and bacon and a cup of O'Shea. I'm slaying demons, I feel like I am an O'Shea. Life's a game, so it's switched, but I really don't play. They told me I would never make it, that there could be no way. I told my mama what I'm making, all she said was no way. I'm in Italy enjoying gelato and sorbet. This shit'd take you a year to do, it might take me 4 days. You guys want like chairs? Seems like he's in You're in like the middle of an ab workout.
He needs it. It's okay.
You got your hands labeled.
Yeah, bro.
In case you forget.
I do forget.
Yeah, that's nice. Mamma mia, it's the Papa Jakey, also known as Chef Bobby. Today I'm gonna make some zucchini pancakes. First we start by chopping up the onion. I usually use the scallops, but I didn't have any, so onion is a good substitute. I'll do that to your turkey. We take the onions and put it in a big mixing bowl. Got a big ass zucchini. You gotta cut off the front and bottom. Then we want to take the zucchini and shred it down onto the towel. One way to cut it in half, baby.
Second stanza.
Sweating hard from that zucchini grind. Zucchini are full of water, so we want to squeeze all that water out of it. Put it up on a bowl. Oh, it's already spilling out. You see all that water coming out? Swish and swish. Gotta wipe that down. Zucchini water everywhere. You're gonna roll the onions. Mixing that zucchini. Zucchini water. On the drain.
And now for you nice ladies and gentlemen out there who don't understand the Italian language, I'd like to do two choruses in British. Lazy Mary, you better get up. She answered back, I am not able.
Pour that bitch in.
Lazy Mary, you better get up. We need the sheets for the table.
Christmas is still wet
Lazy
from when
Mary,
I
you
washed
smoke
it
in
after
bed. There's
breakfast.
only one man you should marry. My advice to you would be is to pay attention to me.
Tea time, tea time.
You'd better marry a fireman. He'll come and go, go and come. Zembalapo
There we go.
Mamadena.
That's how it should look. There we go.
Ziccingapala fantasia de bomberia vecchiuzzania. La la di la, vescivritte baccala. Ue gumba, na bombina c'è giaccata. Oh gumba, gamme voglio marità. Mamma la vagliotta, gamme voglio marità. Mamma la vagliotta, gamme voglio marità.
Going to
The Yacht.
yeah. Everything's so uneven. Gotta like spin the oil all around. That one is. It's just that side of the pot gets less cooked. Yeah, that one is too. Top of the pot just don't cook as well. Typical Bobby shit. Running around last minute. Plate of food in my hand. Don't even have a set list yet. Shout out Tati, finishing my food.
Shit. Oh, I was gonna say putting away the shit.
Yeah, typical Tati shit. Doing chores. We heading out. Eating on the road. Making my set list while I'm there. Everything last minute, all the time. Let's go. We made it to the yacht club in time. We ate our zucchini pancakes. Got myself a Corona. I made my set list. I charged my GoPro. Now we at 100%. Now it's time to rock out for the rest of the night. Look how pretty it is here. And everyone that plays here is super talented. So I'll show you guys a little bit of everybody. Yeah! How'd you get a drink named after you?
I don't know. I just made it.
I'll have my own drink one day. For now, I'm gonna get a Miss BT.
It's really good. It's Bacardi.
I got it last time.
Yeah,
But tell me again.
It's Bacardi Limon with with a little bit of lime juice, and then it's all ginger beer.
Bacardi Limon, little bit of lime juice, the rest is ginger beer.
Fill it up with ginger beer.
That's a Miss BT.
Yeah.
And that's misbehaving.
So hype.
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Wow. Bobby, I'm gonna be contacting you.
Mr. Go-Getter, Mr. Go-Sitter, So-Sitter, Mr. How to let it So-Sitter. Taking on the beggar, I ain't need no sitter, I got no kids, no fitter. Begging on that beggar, yeah, the fit so fitter. I said, sitting on beggar, yeah, the sit so sinner. I said, oh, yeah, you knew that I was sinner, I'm assuming. Making all that all music, I consuming. Making all that, I'm a sinner, student. Yeah, you know I'm reading good, I read the room, kid. Yeah, you know that this is every what I do, shit. Yeah, they love it, this is really what I do, thing. How you know, really shout out to my new thing. Yeah, you know, this is going in the deuce, really in the deuce, spirit shaking, hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. With the kiss. sip of water.
Yes, take a sip.
My last song is called Poor Soul.
How do I zoom?
I want my soul lifted. I feel my soul bitching. Watching my goals slipping. I'm feeling so distant. I want my soul lifted.
Game recognized, game, I'm looking invisible. Talk about my life and I'm telling you it's pitiful. You think I'm important, all I really do is sit at home. It's hard as shit to swallow when I only got a little pill. Inside my head is all I ever really do. I think I'm important and I got something to prove, but it's only ever thoughts. I gotta act, I gotta move, or my soul will never make it in this world I was born into.
I'm feeling so distant. I want my soul lifted. I crave my worstness. I feel my soul bitching. Oh, what a toll it's been. Watching my goals slipping. I'm feeling so distant. I want my soul lifted.
Inside my head is all I ever really do. Say that I'ma change the world, can't even change my mood. I'ma turn the planet upside down or something soon, but I'm using all my energy to barely even move. Sitting in my head's the only thing that's ever up. Sometimes I'll be sleeping saying I don't give a fuck. In reality, I'm just spacing out my conscious stuff. Forever dead inside the chaos, checking out and giving up.
I don't give a fuck. Okay, clearly I get some.
I guess.
Cause I really made this song. And I haven't given up just yet.
Thanks, Jared.
I'm feeling so distant. I want my soul lifted. I crave my worstness. I feel my soul bitching. Oh, what a toll it's been. Watching my goals slipping. I'm feeling so distant. I want my soul lifted.
Game recognized, game, I look unfamiliar. Looking for my cue like I was in a game of billiards. But I don't got a clue about a thing, I'm thinking sillier. And I don't make a move and shit, I paint my brain, it really hurts. Sitting in my head's the only thing I'm ever on. Sometimes I'll be fibbing, thinking I could do no wrong. In reality, I'm tripping, acting nuts, I'm a pecan. And I thought I had a thought, now I know that shit is gone. Game recognized, game, I'm looking invisible. Talk about my life, and I'm telling you it's pitiful. You think I'm important, all I really do is sit at home. It's hard as shit to swallow when I only got a little pill. Inside my head's the only thing that's ever up. Sometimes I'll be fibbing, saying I don't give a fuck. In reality, I'm just spacing out my conscious stuff. Forever dead inside the chaos, checking out and giving up. Jim-Ups!
Thank you. Man, I totally forgot to record my first two songs. That was like the main purpose of this video, was to record my performance of that. And then like it was my time to go. I was all hyped up. I jumped up on stage. I started playing. And then in the middle of my second song, I realized like, fuck, forgot to record. But shout out Jared. He recorded that for me. I just met him today, but apparently he already knew my music, so hell yeah. Now we're gonna keep jamming out. Enjoy the rest of the night. Love you guys.
Niggas always say they real, but he ain't about shit. Gotta stay up on my bread like a pelican. Niggas mad, niggas hating, they the middleman. I gotta get the money, wrap it up in rubber bands. There's some hate niggas, that's why they ain't got no friends. Stay by myself, low key, riding in the tent, you can't see me. Ray Charles, how I do this shit is too easy. Looking at your mouth, you punch in your shit, won't respect, better earn it in this bitch. Niggas say they fuck with us, nigga, you got me fucked up, we keep it in the cut, nigga. Let the label play it, yeah. Money coming in, you know we made a way. Niggas hating on me cause we gotta pave the way, we made a way.
I don't know if you could even see me. Maybe I'll shine my flashlight in my face. Oh yeah, that's right. We heading home now, walking to my front door. It's 1:41 in the morning. A little bit tipsy. And today was a good ass day. Glad I got to share with y'all. Thank you very much.